business. Hi, my name is Madhavi and I'm so happy to have you on Upptalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say Upptalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top-notch hands-on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
If we are using this function in a client script, both are same only. It's just that we need to call the client script from a client script as well. We are not using a natural trigger point. We are using the same functions only. It's just that the way of using this is calling the script only. From here, I don't think we can. I had researched about it. Far, I did not find anything if we can use the same function within the script. Use an event script, you cannot. Scrub. What kind of script is this? This type of function we can, but on add button we cannot. Actually, oh, but then you cannot. You have to make sure you put a script on a client script. One more question, right? If I have to write a script as a collection of all the modules, all the subroutines, for example, all the functions, for example, I just want to write a generic function, a collection of functions that people can use it. Is it best to put it in a client script? You understand my question. Let's say, for example, what kind of script it will be. Let's just say that a function union conversion. Let's just say that, right? I have no good point. Let's just say that. And then that function can be used in, whether I use any script that I use, right? It can be shared by any script, right? It's just a conversion, right? Measure conversion, right? Correct. That can be used by any script anywhere, whether it's, whatever script you can use. User event can be used, reduce or whatever that is. What is the best place to put that function? Simply, you can create this function, No, but here, if you click here, right, this is a user event script. What kind of script is this? This is a wrestler script. Actually, this is a wrestler, right? I put it here, and then what do I do? If I say I want to use a function from a MapReduce script, right, or user event script, what do I do? Do I just use include? Actually, if you have created this function in a wrestler script, first you need to see that whether we can call a wrestler script from user event or not. Now can you? No, actually we cannot call a wrestler script from. Let me see. Actually we can. I know the way that we do. We can call it from I can put that function in a client script and I can call it from a user event, right? That's what I'm asking, whether client script is the best place to put all this collection of, share function. Actually, client script is a better option because client script we can call from many scripts. A server-side script can't be called from most of the scripts, but client script can be called by anything. My next question is this, right? Client script, I can do an alert, for example, right? It will pop up, correct. If I use an event to call client script, then trigger alert, what will happen? Actually, see, you understand my question, right? Because I can write a function in a client script, right? Client script. I can have alert. Usually some client script, if I actually call client script and then in a client script I have alert. Actually, I want to tell you why we cannot trigger an alert in user event script. Just see that. You are already aware about the trigger points of a user event script, right? Correct. Correct. There are mainly three trigger points only, which are before load, before submit, and after submit, right? What will happen? You are coming into this. You are coming into this record, right? This is an employee record, right? Before coming into this record, before load will be triggered, right? Before load has triggered and this UI hasn't yet been rendered. Does that make sense? Which means that there is no scope in before load trigger point to show an alert because an alert can be shown on UI only. And now let's edit this. In before load, there is no scope. Now, the remaining two functions are before submit and after submit, right? Before submit as well, what happens? We click on the save button. As soon as we click on the save button, last trigger point of client script, which is save record, that triggers and any validation we want to put that can be put in this UI. But as soon as we click on this and the record has not yet been saved, but it has left the UI just before committing to the database it triggers. As soon as it has left the UI on the remaining two functions as well, there is no scope in user web script to show an alert. But nevertheless, I can actually write any share function in the client script, right? That I can use it in any other script that I want. Any share function, right? I can put it in the client script. Just a placeholder, just place it there, right? And that script, right? That script, I don't have to deploy it, correct? Do I have to deploy it or I just upload it as a file? You need not to deploy it. You can simply paste it in, upload it in file cabinet. That's what I thought also. You don't have to deploy it. You just put it in a file cabinet. And one other thing, if you want to, from client script, you can put an alert in Suitlet. In Suitlet. You can display it in Suitlet front end, Suitlet right. Front end Suitlet. Front end Suitlet right. Suitlet can be, does it may not have to front end right. You can put an alert on a Suitlet that they use to generate the screen. Suitlet, from Suitlet. We designed this kind of pages, right? Custom pages we designed from Suitlet, and if you want to show an alert on your page from a client script, you can do that. You can call the client script in the same way and it will show an alert. And both user event and client script can also be used on a custom record, right? Also, right. We can go to the next topic unless you have anything else to cover. Now we are going to cover this. Let's say you have done a lot of customizations and a client of yours has asked you to write a script on, let's say, automating the sales order and invoice process. I mean what they want. As soon as the sales order is created, the same time item fulfillment should be created automatically. And after the item fulfillment is created, the invoice should be created automatically. Likewise, you have created, let's say, 2, 3 scripts, and you have created multiple custom fields, and let's say this custom records as well. You have created, a lot of customization. That customized, that all of that development will be done in Sandbox. Now what we need to do? We need to move that customization into production. That the best way to do it is via bundle only. Otherwise, what will happen if you move things one by one? You may leave something and you may leave any dependency, and this will create problem in production environment. The best way is to do the things from one environment to another environment, that is bundle only. I'm going to show you how we create bundles. I think we talked about that on the first day. I think bundles we did, but in detail, I just want to show you if you would like. That is a topic we need to cover. But here is more option to create bundle. I think you have to enable the bundle or set up something like that. That is not there. And we have this suite bundler, and we need to allow this create bundle with suite bundler. But in our account, we do not have this option. How about copy to account? Copy to account as well. We can do this as well. Copy to account. What is the difference between bundle and copy to account? Copy to account we can do within the account only, but with the help of bundle. If we have created a bundle, right? If we have created this bundle, we can install that bundle over any account, as I updated you that day as well. What we will do, we will go to the suite bundler, and to create a bundle, we will go here. And to install a bundle, we will go here. Let us first create a bundle. First thing, what you need to do, you need to provide a name. Let us say demo something. And you can provide version as well. Not needed. This option is for bundle installation script. If you want to write a bundle installation script, you will simply, upload that script the same way, or you uploaded a client script to be called in any other script the same way. You can upload this script in file cabinet, and that script needs to be deployed. and not on any other record. But as soon as you will deploy, this will be visible in this list. If you want to trigger your bundle installation script, that will be shown here. What is it? It has this, whatever customization you want to do, after install the bundle or before they install the bundle. Let us say we have this. What is the thing? You are accessing something. Let me imagine a useless scenario. Let us say you want to automate a process, right? And in that process, what you need to do, your sales order needs to be approved, but by default in your account, this pending fulfillment, it is set. What you can do with your bundle installation script, you can automate this. You can enable this feature. You can select this pending approval and you will save the accounting preferences with your script. And as soon as your bundle will be installed, this script will run and it will change this to pending approval. That whatever script you have written, those scripts will be used smoothly. Otherwise, they will show an error because no approve button will be there because of this pending fulfillment setting. Those types of customization we do with the help of bundle installation script. Basically, the bundle is a script that can do anything, update a record or anything. Just any other script like it can do that, it can do that, it can do that, like what you say, right? For example, or I say pending fulfillment, when you move the script, move the bundle, you automatically set all the sales order to pending approval, correct? Or pending fulfillment, we show all days. Then your script has to have certain intelligence to say that when I move it, what do I want to do, where to get the data, and then automate it. But that is pretty dangerous, isn't it? How do I know the script will execute correctly? Because the moment I install the bundle, the job will kicks in, correct? Kind of like the back, this will execute in the background, isn't it? Is that correct? The moment the bundle get moving to a production environment, the job will execute, correct? The script will execute. The script will execute. And then you start, let's say, update all the data, correct? That will be pretty dangerous, isn't it? Actually, this bundle installation is only, this is to actually, I'm getting the question, what you're asking. Please come again. The moment you import the script, right? The use case is here. You say you notify the script will update all the sales order, right? Then, the moment the bundle is deployed, the script will run, correct? The script will run immediately. Is that what happened? Then you start to update all the sales order, correct? Then it's pretty dangerous, isn't it? The moment it deploys, a bunch of data will get updated, correct? actually. That is why those kind of customization we do not do with the help of this bundle installation script. Updating the sales order records or something. All those things we do from, let's say, MapReduce script or client script or user event script. These bundle installation scripts are for the purpose of allowing the things that whatever customization are being done with the help of those scripts that doesn't, fails. Just to make sure that all these settings and permission are provided smooth, that those scripts could run smoothly. Does that make sense? That makes sense. It's just, it's a bit strange people will do that. The moment I install the bundle, then you start updating data. There is a no actually. We can do that, but with this bundle installation script, we do not do that. Then what does it do? Then what does it do? You update data, right? Isn't it? To update the data, what we can do, let's say we want to approve all the sales order. With the help of this bundle translation script, we will make sure that this setting is enabled. After that, one need to manually execute that this MapReduce, that they know that what data they are going to update in production. That is one way. From here, you can select the bundle script and after we click on next. And you can provide the description as well. Where is a different NetSuite one word? NetSuite one word. Why is NetSuite one word? Let's say NetSuite. One word is something you know. You can use multiple subsidiaries in one word. In NetSuite, you do not have that leverage, but in NetSuite, one word, you have the leverage of using multiple subsidiaries. Click on Next from here. Whatever the objects you want to select, you can select those objects. Let's say these custom fields, production body fields, anything you can select. Let's say you want to select this, or from here, you can select any list which is there. You can select this list and this. You can select your script, whatever script was that. Let's say it was this script, and let's say this was this script. You can select the number of things that your customization needed and you'll click on Next. And you can save it and your bundle will be created. After that this bundle will be created. After that you need to, let's say, set the availability to. You know what availability you want to do for this bundle thing. Let's say whatever bundles are created in this. After you have created a bundle, that bundle will be listed here in this list. Is that fine? Does that make sense? That will show up the same way. You can hover on this and you can set the availability, or if you want to edit something, you will click on Edit. Let's set the availability. From here, you can see that availability is shared, and you can see that this bundle will be installed in this particular account. ID only, which is actually a production, I assume. This can be any. If you want to provide multiple IDs, we can give comma and we can provide the IDs in shared. And if we do it public, it will be a public bundle. Anyone can install it. And in private, no one can install your bundle. How do you find a public bundle then? Is it on the? That is our next topic. How we search a bundle and install a bundle. We will search a bundle. Once you share it, right when you save it. Once you share it, we will save that. We will save that. You want me to go to that page again? No, I mean you already created the bundle, right? You share it with that account and that. Now for that, how do I see the bundle? Do you save it? I didn't save that actually. We can search any other bundle. Let's say we want to search a bundle for, let's say, any something sweet. There will be any. There is a list of bundles, right? We can know the name of our bundle, what we want to search. This way, whatever name we have searched, if there is any bundle with this name, it will show up here. But the best way to search a bundle is with the bundle ID. Bundle ID, right? If that bundle is shared with another account, right, and I log into that account, I come to bundle to search, I will find it, right. Let's say I'm searching this bundle with this bundle ID. It is not showing. Is it the right account? We can go to advanced search. Sandbox account maybe. You can search your own bundle here, or you have to search in the. Sorry, this is your own bundle, right? This is your own bundle, but it needs to be shown here. I don't know why it is not showing. Search for the keyword. You can see that this is showing here. You will click on this bundle. Bundle ID doesn't work. And you will click on install. And it will be installed in your account, and you can do whatever customization is done through this bundle. I mean, you can access all the things which is available in this bundle. Where do I go to the bundle? Is it customized? Setup, right? Set. Actually, this is in customization and in this suite bundler. To create bundle, we will click on this create, and to search and install, we will click on this. Next topic is save searches and reports. Save searches you are already aware of. I am aware, but I don't think you go through in a very detail. If you don't mind, just go through. You can create a save search from here. list search and save searches. Save searches is the way to access or browse record, right? Is that the only way? There is a way to do it right. You do not need to have a separate way to write any query or select statement, those kinds of things. There is nothing else. No other way, right? There is one way of SQL, but for that you need to, I think, have the license for the same, or we need to install a third-party bundle. I am not sure, but that is not a standard feature. You need to install a bundle for that. Or is that there? Or you can create a search from here. Save searches or save searches new. There are two. What is the difference between the search and the save searches? What is the difference? There is new search, right? And then there is save search, correct? All the save searches are the list of save searches which you have already created. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.